Get 50% off all gold jewelry all week long. The I Love Valentine's Day event is here. Increase your appetite and make every day a great day. While supplies last, see store for details.
Well, here I am. I finished my shopping for the day. I'm heading home. Just turning on the Brant Street. As you can see, this isn't exactly rush hour today. Sorry about the wipers on the old video here, but there's not much you can do because the snow is still falling. It's light, but it's cumulative, so we'll see how many other stuck people or morons are out on the road. I've seen 3 or 4 spin-outs, but of course I didn't have the camera on them then. So now I got my handy box of emergency granola bars propped up on the dash with my BlackBerry in it. And I'm just videotaping away. I'm a content little puppy. And once again, my thanks to Ollie Jackson from Texas for sending us this nice warm front that sort of collided with our cold front coming down, and this is what we get. Woohoo! There's a Honda that's got 4 inches more snow in front of his bumper than he has clearance for. Video. This is about 9 o'clock in the morning, and usually all the old retired people are out doing their shopping. First day of the new flyer ads, all the bargains were there for me to grab today. Kind of enjoy getting out early. And here we got a guy that's doesn't know where he's going. Or he just couldn't get going. It's a chick, what do you expect? Okay, maybe you can hear me better. I turned the fan down a notch. Now let's see how we can get up over the hump here. This is actually my first time driving my daily driver, front-wheel drive, in the snow. And it is definitely performing totally different than my Astro rear-wheel drive. And I guess the jury's still out. I'm still not sure if I like it or not. But then again, I got up the hill okay, pulling instead of pushing, so what do you know? Maybe front-wheel drive is not so bad after all. Of course, my Astro did have 4-wheel snows on it. No drive, but 4-wheel snows. Yeah, Burlington's got a population of about 140, about 90 of which are over the age of 65 and retired. Going past the Nines Tavern, not stopping in for breakfast today. Now this is where you got to watch out, because one guy gets going in the middle of a traffic and he just pulls out into the other lane. So I'm good today. People are actually driving sensible around town. There's the main mall. Vehicles are in there, but well, there is a plowed entranceway. What do you know? Okay, just driving under the QEW here to the 403. All you people that come up to VanFest usually follow that bridge to VanFest in June, and I can assure you that there'll only be half as much snow in June when you come up. One more stop on the way home to get fill her up with gas before they decide they run out again, because the tankers are probably off the road today. They worked all night and they won't be driving in this stuff for insurance reasons, so I better fill up the old tank, as I'm just above E.